Now this is the Pentax SP1000 fully automatic film SLR, and it was released in 1976. Now believe it or not, this is the very camera that I've had ever since I was 7 years old. And this is the camera that I grew up using, learning how to focus, manually adjust, take photos. I have taken thousands of photos on this camera. Now it's very similar to the Pentax K1000, but I grew up with the SP1000, which it says here. And I know that some models have the word Spotmatic written on here, but mine never did. So I always just assumed the SP meant special rather than the ordinary K model. Now both cameras are essentially the same, but this, I can tell you, is a real workhorse of a camera. It is fantastic. If you want to get into analog film photography, then I definitely recommend it. Now it uses 35mm film. You open it here by pulling up this tab and going to open up the back. Then of course you take your roll of film out of the canister and you would put your film in this way, putting the canister in, and then of course stretching the film out and then winding it onto this spool like that. Then you'd close the back, pop this down to lock it in, do one more click, usually one or two, and then you're ready to start taking photos. So it's quite amazing in today's digital age. We're used to everything being electronic, but literally everything in this camera is mechanical, apart from a small battery for the light meter. But apart from that, everything else works by clicking, dialing, flicking, twisting, turning various things, pressing down buttons, twisting settings, and of course, looking through the viewfinder. This lens, although it looks small, it is absolutely amazing. This has taken me around the world. I've taken it to 36 countries, and this is all I've ever need to take brilliant photos. Now, there's one thing that this camera has that no camera that I've ever had ever since, that this camera is unbeatable for. Let me show you. I don't know if it's going to work, but let's see if we can get it to work. So let me show you in the daylight what I'm talking about when it comes to this focus. So here's what it looks like on the focus ring, and I've never had any camera that has this. And with today's modern cameras, you get things like 64-point focus points, blah, 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 blah. But nothing has ever beat this focusing ring on the Pentax. So this is what it looks like through the viewfinder. You can see how everything's in that central ring is pixelated until you start focusing. And then you get suddenly they disappear in the area where it's focused. And then if you go too far, the pixels come back. So it allows you to really sharply lock in that focus on a manual system. So there we have it. The Pentax SP1000 is my tech nomination for 1976.